Minister in Ministry nebo somanet Ezekiel Machogu kole bendi koboisien kibagenge ak ministry notok nebo ripsetab kalyet en emet orit sikobit keker kele kakik itondo nekararan nebo somanet en Kerio Valley. Kosubkei ak Machogu kokamwa kole kibendi kekere kele kakirib anan kakirib sugulisiek chemiten en Kerio Valley chotok chekikomuch kong'emak somanet kotinygei ak kabokyinosiek chotok kobun chelesos chekiyoni kobo kiagik. En kasaraton kokamwa Machogu kole sugulisiek 12 chekikoimak kosubkei ak kabokyinosiek kebendi kechikili ole kotomo kotestai anan kototo itondo notok nebo somanet en sugulisiek chotok.
And we have not formally and officially closed any such school because we are working very closely with the Ministry of Internal Security, with my colleague, so that we know exactly how the situation is like before we can be able to declare that we have closed down a school. But because of fear, of course, there are some children who are not going to school in quite a number of schools, and even teachers, they are also scared because each and every person wants to protect his own life, and they are therefore not going to school. But obviously, we have not closed any such school up to now. We are monitoring the situation. We are getting reports from internal security before we can be able to declare that we closed any school within Baringo. The situation does not seem to be very good, and we are liaising with our county director on the ground and assessing the way it is, so that from there we can be able to make an official and a formal statement from the ministry.